Hey guys, here I am with a short update video on the Dell Optiplex GX110. The good news is I got some great news. So the good news is it's got a brand new IDE cable for the hard drive and zip drive, and I did a BIOS update using which I had to make a floppy, which I had an extra floppy for that I use on the Dell Optiplex GX150. So the 40 gigabyte hard drive that I had in this computer was dead. So with that being said, I decided to take the 20 gigabyte hard drive out the Dell Optiplex GX150 to put it in here, because I'm going to eventually replace the drive anyway in that Dell Optiplex GX150. So I'm going to try and put a 160 gigabyte, which would be good. We could try and do a Windows 2000 and Windows XP dual boot on the Dell Optiplex GX150, since it's got 512 megabytes of RAM and this got 256 megabytes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll have this thing fully up and running once I get everything installed with Windows 98 in action on this rig. So I'll see you guys soon, and thanks for watching.